my best friend. I tried to help him, but he traded everything for suffering and found himself alone. I watched the lying turn into hiding, with scars on both his limbs. His fingertips were melted to the bone, but I can still remember what his face looked like when I found him in an alley in the middle of the night. Tell me what you know, tell me what you're gonna do now. Tell me what you know, tell me what you're gonna do now. We're gonna do the trick, get it over with. You're better off to take all that you got and put it on the spot just to get high. 3 days no sleeping.